What's up, everybody? My name is Scott Wanger and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we got a cool little device here that I am very excited to test out. It's called FIXD with a D at the end, as you guys can see. So let's go over this a little bit here. Understand your check engine light maintenance reminders, monitor the health of multiple cars. What else do we got here? Works with iPhone 5 and later leading Android devices. So you can check online right there. Just pause the video and go to that link that's right there and see if it's compatible with your phone. So I have not downloaded the app yet, but by the time we're done here I will have the app downloaded. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Came in this nice little plastic case. And if you guys are familiar with cars, you just plug it into your port. A lot of vehicles, it's right under your, well, actually where your knees are, under the steering wheel, or down by the gas or brake pedal. So without further ado, we're going to go and we're going to plug this in. I need to download the app and do all this information first. So once I do that, okay guys, so we are scanning it. We got the thing plugged in. Oh great, now we got to enter the VIN number. Oh my word. Well, alright guys, give me a little bit, we'll be back. Continue. Okay, so we got it done. Tap to scan. So let's see what comes up. Of course there's no check engine light. So, okay, oh, whoa, okay, so brake system. Wait, what? So this is supposed to be other dash lights. Well, nothing is on, so what are we supposed to do here? Repair shops? Well, this is not really. Battery. So you're supposed to pretty much manually add this stuff and it's just to remind you. Well, that's really stupid. So okay, it just so you're supposed to add everything yourself. So what's the whole point then? It's just a simply reminder. Alrighty, well, I was hoping that this thing actually, you know, gave details. I mean, so you can add your miles. And it just tells you what to do after a certain amount of miles. Well, this is a little better. At least it tells you stuff like what should be changed every so often. And it goes up and so forth after a certain amount of miles. I mean, good thing this thing didn't really cost that much. It's not bad, but there's a lot of cheaper things out there if you want to just see your check engine light. I guess if you have a check engine light, this app's not too bad. Gives you like estimates for changing costs and stuff like that. For like changing oil, replace oil filter, gives you an estimate and so forth. Okay, so my opinion is 5 to 6 out of 10. I'll mess around with it more. I'm tired of letting my vehicle run here and waste all my gas. But it's okay. Nothing super cool that I would recommend you going out and buying it. So if you got a check engine light on, and if you want reminders on when you need to change the oil and stuff, then go for it. It's not that costly, so it's just, for me, it wasn't worth it. But don't know until you try. Take care, guys.